posted it on the internet and sent the link to all her contacts. Oh my God. After a long saga, we managed to delete the video off her phone when she was out drinking. We wrote a formal letter to the website address and managed to get it taken off. Well, fair play to you for rectifying the situation like that. It just goes to show you what can go wrong when you whip out a camera when you're doing intimate things. Don't do it. Don't do it. At least every couple of months we get an email in from people who have done it, and it's just causing a whole world of heartache. That's a worst case scenario though, where it goes and goes online and goes viral and all the rest of it. There's no suggestion that anything like that is going to happen here, even if you never get these tapes back. And don't get me wrong, if I put myself in your position, sir, of course you'd have yourself, especially now that you're kind of going, well, I want to lead that kind of down the middle, straight and narrow life. I want to, continue on and just maybe buy a house and get a good job and all the rest of it. You don't want a potential sex tape debacle lurking out there. But it just sounds to me like before you wade on in there, you need to give your ex-girlfriend a bit of time to kind of grieve for the fact that the relationship is over.